Welcome home. So I'm so happy that you were able to make it out today to take a look at this beautiful home in Beverly Hills, Florida. Notice that you have a very open concept as soon as you walk in the door. We've got vinyl flooring that has been updated. It flows straight through. We've got beautiful picture windows, double pane windows showing the front curb appeal and the backyard. And I'm going to take you to the bedrooms first. We do have a coat closet here. We're just going to wander around, take a look at everything, let you see all of this beautiful property, and then you will be asking to make an offer. This is the guest bathroom. It is a tub shower combo. We do have an intercom system throughout this house. I'll take you to bedroom 2. You notice these bedrooms are very spacious. The closets have a lot of space in them as well. So this is a large closet here, very deep, tons of storage. And we've got a linen closet right outside of that bedroom. Then we have the master bedroom, even larger. Then the guest bedroom, a couple of nice windows. Private bathroom, again a tub shower combo, so you have 2 tubs and 2 showers in this house, and a large walk-in closet with, again, lots of storage space. If you notice in the closets, they've got the higher shelf, so you have more room to store things, which is such an important thing in Florida. We don't have basements, so it is helpful. Again, the vinyl plank flooring flows throughout the living area. We've got a well-appointed kitchen, newer appliances. This house does have an updated HVAC system. It's 2 years old, and they also had replaced the panel box recently, so you don't have to worry about an older panel box. All of that is new. And we have a nice 2-car garage with extra storage space, a workbench, and sprinkler system. We also have the side door out to the yard. This is a corner lot, so the property itself, you've got more space. It feels bigger than what a lot of properties feel like because it's on a corner. We've got a back room here, same vinyl flooring, nice double pane windows, and I just love these picture windows, as I call it, because they're large windows, and so they're very nice to be able to look through into the backyard. So this is a nice little side area, which would be perfect for your grill, maybe a little outdoor table. It's private. And then we have the side yard and the backyard. So you do have space back here if you wanted to do a little fencing and have a space for pets. You certainly can do that. But this is just a beautiful property. This is a very quiet part of Beverly Hills. There's no through traffic. These are all dead-end streets. So you don't have to worry about a lot of traffic or nuisance from people that don't live in the community. So you've got a beautiful oak tree there, professional landscaping, and again, we've got the sprinklers to take care of everything. So you are good to go. So again, we're at 241 West Hollyfern Place. This is a new listing, and if you're interested in this property, I would encourage you to reach out to me as soon as possible. Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-794-1426. Have a great day.